Juggling multiple client projects? The Projects feature in FreshBooks centralizes time tracking, expenses, conversations, and invoices for each job. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Create a new project from the Projects tab. Assign it to a client. Now, this becomes the hub. You and your team can track all time against this project, log expenses to it, and even use the Discussion section to communicate with the client about files and updates. When it's time to bill, you can generate an invoice from the project that includes all the logged time and billable expenses with one click. My crucial pro tip? Use the client-facing project portal. Invite your client to their project. They can see progress, approved estimates, and discussions, all in one place. This transparency builds trust and reduces status update emails. Stop juggling spreadsheets and emails. Keep every job organized in its own container. How many active projects do you typically manage at once? For more guides on organized service delivery, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.